It's time. I have something very exciting to announce. ये specifically and exclusively मेरे fellow moms के लिए है. This is something जो मैं महीनों से plan कर रही हूँ and I'm super excited and thrilled to announce with you guys कि मैं एक event कर रही हूँ Mother's Day को. The Angan presents Mother's Day out in collaboration with the Habitat Cafe. ये event करने के पीछे मेरा एक ही मकसद है कि I want all the moms to come together and share their experiences and stories. Basically मैं एक safe space create करना चाह रही हूँ जहाँ पे अपन एक दिन सब छोड़ छाड़ के बस enjoy कर सकते हैं and new mom friends बना सकते हैं. We're gonna have food, entertainment and a lot of activities that day. So registration के लिए link bio में है. ये event exclusive है. तो अगर आप register करें हम आपको invite भेजेंगे and that's how you can enter this event. So if you're a mom, get your mom along or just get your fellow mom friends along and just have a day all for yourself. I cannot wait to meet you guys and make new friends and connect with you all. तो कैसा भी आओ, I cannot wait to celebrate us, the mothers.